Alright, hi, my name is Aron and I'm one of the founders of Skarpur, and I'm going to be demonstrating our web application. So to best demonstrate it, we're going to run through two scenarios and then I'm just going to do a general walk around. To be noted, the application is still in alpha version. Now the first scenario is that we just received a call from a sales team and the construction of a new industrial building for Salesforce got delayed by 4 weeks, so they can't receive the product on the estimated due date. Now, there are several options for us. Do we want to stick to the current dates and sit rather longer on the product down in stock, or do we benefit from delaying the project and changing the plan? Is there any added value to it? Now, it's a pretty complicated question to answer if we're not using Skarpur, but to demonstrate the Skarpur's efficiency, we're going to here go to Salesforce and shift the due dates by 28 days and simply let the optimization model decide what's best. Then we can go here into schedules and create a new optimization. Now here we have the tactics section while we wait, and here we see that we have a lot of fine tuning we can do to the optimization model. For example, here we can set it to front scheduling, neutral or back scheduling. We can also define some other parameters, for example, how far ahead into the future do we want to optimize? Alright, so now that the schedule is ready, we're going to jump back into it and compare the current schedule to the new one we just created, which is here in blue. And as we can see, the production value on scheduled tasks or subtasks and the load hasn't changed. But the work in progress has decreased by 17%. If we go here into schedule comparison, we can also see how Salesforce got shifted to the right, or the new schedule in blue. We can also see how it affects the tasks and the subtasks. We also have some helpful tips here to help us quickly decide if this is a good schedule or not. Here below we have the loads of both all the teams and each specific team, and we can see where everything shifted to the right. And the same story is for the work in progress inventory and the production value. I'm very happy with this, so I'm going to commit this result, meaning it's going to go out straight to all of our teams. Alright, so the final scenario is that we just finished creating a new sales project, which is for DGI. If you quickly look here into the tasks, we can see how they are defined here in subtasks. Here we have the estimated runtime versus the actual runtime, as well as the max cap, or how many employees can work at this at once. And some more information, we're not going to go into detail. We also have defined all of the dependencies. So for example, we need to finish this one before we can start on this one, and so forth. But we're going to move this into the active section, or everything that's going to be on the schedule, and then simply go here into active, where we can see the DGI has gone through. Here we have a red banner that says it's not on schedule, meaning we need to optimize. And now we're going to create a new optimization. Alright, so now that we have our schedule back, we can compare the current one versus the new one. And we can see that the load has increased significantly, as well as the production value, but the work in progress has also increased, which is negative, but is to be expected when we're adding such a large project to our schedule. But we can see here that we have no late days, which is very positive. And here we can now see that DGI has been added and that we can actually meet the due date. Now this is very positive and we're going to put this on the schedule. And with a short demonstration we've shown how efficient you can be using Skarpur and how you can quickly change your schedules efficiently. Now just to end up with, we're going here to quickly see how the resources can see their pages. And here we have a team. And in the team section, we can see all the upcoming subtasks, as well as the ones in progress or the ones that are finished. And here we can open the page and see how many hours, minutes, and seconds the project has been worked on, as well as seeing some checklists that we can check off. Also some files which we can upload either externally or using internal file system. And we also have some tasks and comment section here. Alright, so this has been a short demonstration. Thank you very much.